Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh, fuck. So, what do I do with this?
Is that a...
Oh. Oh.
Wait, look
What?
back. You fucking imbecile, the other way. You did a whole fucking 360. Your tank is still there. Is it open now?
Yeah. A door? Oi. Oi. Oh. Okay, okay. Let's go back.
Stop.
Stop it.
What? The music stopped.
Oh. Oh no. Oh. Just don't look at it. I'm just gonna. Oh.
Oh, he's in there. Oh, what the fuck is that?
What's this?
Get the fuck up.
I can't.
I don't think you're supposed to look at him.
Where do I go now?
You're joking.